Well, me and Bandit out here taking us a little hike. She's got to be on the leash now because she be running into shit. But I keep her pretty well tied up so she don't poke an eye out or something. Coming down here to the pond to look at the fish and get a little exercise. It's beautiful weather out here. Sunny day, t-shirt weather. Bandit just loving life. A lot of damn flies eating her up, but I hit her with some fly juice so it don't bug her so bad. Anyways, I just thought that I'd shoot you a little video so you could see us over here soaking up this beautiful weather. She's taking a little nap. Got her some damn glasses. She's gonna get some goggles coming up so she don't run into something, poke her eye out. Hope you're having a good day.